A slow PC is one of the most common tech problems, but it is rarely caused by a single issue. In most cases, performance drops because of resource overload, storage pressure, background processes, or aging hardware inside Microsoft Windows. To fix it, you need to understand what is actually slowing the system, not just restart randomly. 1. Too many background programs. Every running app uses CPU and RAM. Common hidden culprits: browser tabs, chat apps, cloud sync tools, auto updaters. When too many run together, the system slows down. Open Task Manager and check what is consuming resources. 2. Low storage space. Storage is not just for files, it affects speed. When your drive is almost full, system becomes slower, apps take longer to open, updates fail or lag. Keep at least 15 to 25% free space for smooth performance. 3. Too many startup programs. Many apps start automatically when the PC boots. This increases boot time, background load, memory usage. Disable unnecessary startup apps to improve speed instantly. 4. Outdated or heavy software. Old or poorly optimized software can slow down the system. Heavy applications like browsers with many extensions or outdated drivers often create performance bottlenecks. Keeping software updated improves stability and speed. 5. Virus or malware activity. Malicious software can silently consume system resources. Signs include sudden lag, high CPU usage, unknown processes. A scan with a trusted security tool can detect and remove threats. 6. Overheating issues. Heat directly affects performance. When the CPU gets hot, system reduces speed automatically, throttling fans run louder, performance drops. Dust buildup inside the system is a common cause. 7. Weak hardware, age factor. Older PCs naturally struggle with modern software. Common limitations: low RAM, slow HD storage, outdated CPU. This creates a baseline performance limit that software fixes can only improve partially. 8. Fragmented or corrupted system files. Over time, system files can become disorganized or damaged. This slows down boot process, file access, application loading. System repair or reinstall can help in severe cases. Strategic insight. PC slowdown usually comes from 4 core causes: resource overload, apps, storage pressure, background processes, hardware limitations. Most users focus on hardware, but in reality, software and system management cause most slowdowns. Final conclusion: a slow PC is not always broken. Start with closing background apps, freeing storage, disabling startup programs, checking temperature.